Welcome to my channel, Samina Tech. Want to go viral on TikTok and grow your followers faster than ever? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the secrets TikTok influencers don't want you to know. Trust me, these tips work whether you're just starting out or already posting. Let's dive in. No one understanding the algorithm. Alright, first things first, to grow on TikTok, you need to understand how the algorithm works. TikTok's algorithm loves engagement. That means likes, comments, shares, and watch time are key. Here's a pro tip. Your goal should be to keep viewers watching until the very last second of your video. Why? Because TikTok pushes out videos with high completion rates to more people. So, how do you do that? Let's move on to step 2. Know to create scroll-stopping content. TikTok is all about grabbing attention fast. You've got 3 seconds to hook your audience, or they're scrolling away. Start your video with an eye-catching action, a bold statement, or text on the screen. Here's an example. Instead of saying, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel," try something like, "This trick will double your followers in a week." See the difference? Number 3. Posting strategy. Consistency is everything. Aim to post at least 1 to 3 times per day. Yes, that sounds like a lot, but TikTok rewards creators who stay active. Plus, more posts mean more chances to go viral. But here's the thing, quality still matters. So, don't post just for the sake of it. Focus on trending sounds, niche-specific content, and adding your own twist to popular ideas. Know for using trends and hashtags. Speaking of trends, jump on them early. Check TikTok's Discover page daily to find trending sounds, effects, and challenges. But don't just copy. Add your personality or unique spin to stand out. And don't forget hashtags. Use a mix of trending hashtags and niche-specific ones. For example, if you're into fitness, pair hashtag FYP with hashtags like hashtag fitness journey or hashtag home workout. This helps TikTok categorize your content and show it to the right audience. Number 5. Engaging with your audience. Now let's talk about engagement. Reply to comments on your videos, follow people in your niche, and interact with their content. TikTok is a community. The more you engage, the more the algorithm will push your profile. Plus, people are more likely to follow someone who feels approachable and active. Number 6. Final tip. Here are a few bonus tips to turbocharge your growth. Post at peak times when your audience is most active. Use TikTok's analytics to figure this out. Keep your videos short and sweet. 10-15 seconds works best. Experiment with different formats, tutorials, behind the scenes, funny skits, and more. And remember, don't get discouraged if a video flops. Every creator has been there. The key is to keep experimenting and improving. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment with your favorite tip, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more TikTok growth hacks.